Today we're looking at a 2016 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive. All right, 18,000 miles on it. Super white in color. All right, let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the turn signals and the side mirrors. You can see you got another camera here, and it's going to give you that bird's eye view, and I'll show you that in a second. Nice chrome door handles, got the lock unlock button there. Driver's side of the Murano is in great shape. Does have the rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. Really nice chrome piece through here. Really sleek looking vehicle here. Nice SUV. 2016 with only 18,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got your black leather door panels here with the leather trim here. Nice metallic piece, memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. Does have the power liftgate, heated steering wheel, telescopic steering wheel, black leather seats, perforated inserts. I mean, I'm telling you, this thing's got it all. Every bell and whistle you can think of. Power driver's seat. All right, got the really big sunroof there, and I'll show you that in a second. Keyless entry, remote start. Passenger seat leather is in great shape. All right, it's got an auxiliary USB port right there. Automatic, push button start. It's got your heated and cooled seats. All right, dual climate controls, navigation, backup camera, and touchscreen. That's all right there, and I'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. All right, it's got your collision alert, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 18,513 miles. All right, now that we've got it started up, let's go ahead and get you to your home screen here. All right, got your navigation. Okay. Backup camera, let's go ahead and engage that. Alright, and then there's the bird's eye view I was talking about earlier. Okay, you can also hit this button up here to take you directly to the camera without putting it in reverse. Alright, got your dual climate controls there. Got your push button start and your ventilated and heated seats. Alright, let me go ahead and step out right quick. I'm going to show you the sunroof. Got your button here, and it's a dual panel sunroof. Alright, everything works. Alright, as you can see, nice and smooth, it works good. Let's go ahead and shut that back. Right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Lift the seat up here. Okay. It does have the rear heated seats. It's your USB outlet here. Okay, back seat leather's in great shape. Alright, it does have the center console that comes down with the cup holders there. Alright, let's go ahead and give you a view of the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Let's take a look in the back. Power liftgate, nice and smooth coming up. Okay, carpet back here is in good shape. Does have the sunshade available. Okay. Got your spare tire back here. All right, hold on one second, let me get under there. There we go. Spare tire back there. All right, and it does have the handles right here. Pull those handles, the seats will come down. Pull the handle. Seats go down, and you can see how much it really opens it up back here. Alright, and to engage the backup or the power liftgate, simply press that button there. Alright, nice and smooth coming down. Let's check out the wheels and tires. 20-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Go here and shut this door. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Nissan Murano Platinum all-wheel drive, 18,000 miles. This thing's got every bell and whistle you can imagine. Really nice car, low miles. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.